today's digital world, consumers are bombarded with ads from various brands and companies. In order to stand out and grab the attention of potential customers, it's important to create ads that are engaging and grab the viewer's attention. Hi, I'm Frank, CRO at White Shark Media, and I'm happy to give you some insights on how to create the most engaging ads for your digital advertising. All right, now let's dive into the 5 main steps. Number 1, define your target audience. The first step in creating engaging ads is to identify your target audience. This will help you tailor your ads to your specific needs and interests of your potential customers. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, and interest when determining your target audience. 2, determine your ad objectives. You need to determine what you want to achieve with your ads. This will help you choose the right platform and ad format to reach your goals. Some common objectives for digital advertising include brand awareness, website traffic, lead generation, and of course, conversions. 3, choose the right platform. There are many different platforms available for digital advertising, including search engines, social media, and websites. Each platform has its own unique features and benefits, so it's extremely important to choose the one that best aligns with your ad objectives and your target audience. 4, select the ad format. There are several different ad formats to choose from, including display ads, video ads, and sponsored content. You need to consider the type of content that will best suit your target audience and objectives, as well as the format that will work best on the chosen platform. 5, create compelling ad copy. Ad copy is the written content of your ad, and it's important to get it right. Use strong headlines and bullet points to highlight the main points of your ad, and make sure to include a clear, prominent call to action. Now, let's review some additional tips to create PPC ads like a pro. People are more likely to engage with ads that feature attractive and eye-catching visuals, so make sure to use high-quality images and videos that are relevant to your brand and message. It's important to keep your ad copy short and to the point. Use strong headlines and bullet points to highlight the main points of your ad and make it easy for people to understand what you're offering. The call to action is the most important part of your ad, as it tells the viewer what you want them to do next. Make sure to include a clear and prominent CTA such as learn more, sign up, or shop now. People are more likely to engage with ads that tell a story and build an emotional connection. Consider using storytelling techniques to capture attention and engage your audience. It's important to test and optimize your ads to ensure that they're effective. So use A/B testing to try out different versions of your ad and see which one performs best. You can also use analytics tools to track performance of your ads and see how they're performing. Takeaways. By following these steps and best practices, you can create engaging ads that effectively reach your target audience and drive conversions for your business. It's important to be strategic though and focus in your approach to digital advertising, as this will help you get the best return on your investment. It's also important to keep in mind that the channels and campaign types that you choose will be crucial for your digital advertising success. Having this in mind, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications bell to know what's trending. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.